In termination, there are again 3 different ways to carry out the process of termination. Here we can write termination. So this termination can be carried out by coupling or by disproportionation, and third, or by chain transfer. So these are the 3 ways to carry out the process of chain transfer. So these are the 3 ways to carry out the process of termination to stop the reaction of free radical addition polymerization. So here, after the propagation, what product we have got? Here we will see first of all the coupling process. So as we have got the product RCH2, CH2 free radical, sorry, CH2 by N, CH2, CH2 free radical. This was our last. This N may be any number, any large number. So similar type of another, we can consider CH2 free radical, CH2, CH2, R. So like this, and another similar type of molecule we have considered. Like that, we can consider in case of M free radical N, again plus M free radical M, like this. Like this N may be another number. For our sake of convenience, we have considered here N. It may be the similar. So this particular first free radical will form the bond with another free radical, which is by simply this bond between two CH2 free radical, and that is called as a coupling process. So by the coupling process, one free radical from one carbon will form the bond with another free radical of the another carbon of the particular bulky free radical. That is called as a coupling process. Now second, so here we can write M, N, M, M. So here this large molecule which will be formed is nothing but a saturated product, and it is having a very high molecular weight, because here for example this N number is particular 1000 or 100, just consider. So this 101 plus this 101, this way 202 type of monomers are present in it. So it is just for an example, but we can say that a doubly molecular weighted particular product can be formed here. Now this is a particular process of coupling. Now second, disproportionation. So just we will rub this. Second is the process of disproportionation. So this is somewhat to be understood. B, disproportionation. In this process of disproportionation, there is a transfer. We can see here R, CH2, 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 CH2. Here there is a free radical, and here there is a number of N we can write. So again the similar type of molecule, CH2. Here there is a free radical, CH2, 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 R again. So here N number. Now this second CH2 we can write like this, CH2. So one H here, one H here. For our sake of convenience, just we have written like that. Now here what will happen here, in case of disproportionation, one of the hydrogen from the carbon which is next to the last one transferred to the another molecule. So here this particular hydrogen will transfer to the another free radical. So what product we will get here? R, CH2, CH2, this by N, CH2, and here there is a one hydrogen comes from the another one, CH3. In this way we have got this particular saturated alkane. While what will be about this second one? This R, CH2, CH2N. Here CH, singly CH remains there, CH, and now here by giving this hydrogen, here there is a formation of one free radical. So this free radical and this bond, this free radical, there is a formation of a bond. So here there is a formation of double bond and CH2 is as it is. So in this way, one of the alkane and one of the alkene can be formed by the process of disproportionation. And third is the chain transfer. So chain transfer is a very simple, that here there is a addition of a chain transfer. Here there is a addition of alkyl mercaptan RSH. It is called as the alkyl mercaptan. It is added to terminate or to stop the reaction. So in this way, R CH2 by N, which is a product of propagation, CH2 free radical plus RSH. So simply here there is a donation of this particular hydrogen to stop the particular reaction. So in this way, what product we can get here? So we will write here again. Just again we will repeat reaction. CH2 free radical plus RSH. So what can we get as a product? We can write here also R CH2 by N, CH2 CH. This 2 is there and free radical, while this hydrogen is totally supplied here or provided or donated here from this RSH, alkyl mercaptan, and here there is a complete the reaction by addition of that particular H positive ion or H free radical, we can say. So in this way, termination step occurs. So in this way, the termination, whenever we carry out the termination process, then and then only it can be stopped or terminated. So in this way, mechanism of addition polymerization is carried out by the free radical addition polymerization. It is very, very important according to the exam point of view, that how the mechanism is carried out. Okay, thank you.